Alright, what's up you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Early morning, man, it's early. And guess what? We got a closing coming up this morning. This is probably one of the biggest deals that I will close this year. So roll with me.
Man, I'm leaving the closing with Morris Smith, Beyond the Clippers. It's such an honor being to hang out with this young man. Listen, if y'all want to get into business and do it right, reach out to Morris Smith. He do it right. Listen, tell him to raise his right hand and look at what's his right hand.
Just left out of the closing. Closed the deal on the motel. We're gonna go to the motel, but before we go to the motel, I want to show you exactly what I did on the wholesale deal. This is the hood. I'm not gonna show you the check, but this is the hood statement right here. And this is what we made, $18,737.03. So if you want to learn how to wholesale, hit my inbox. What's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel.
Pizza got him feeling good.
Yeah, man, I had to eat, man. We just closed a motel in Tuskegee today, man. Like, yep, just closed the motel. Yeah, crazy. So we're gonna go in here, man. I'm gonna show y'all what they got going on in here. I'm gonna show y'all what we get first. We over here at the triplex, and I got some guys they in here putting paint on the wall now. Then look, I gotta head out and get ready to go to Tuskegee because we just closed the deal on that motel. And man, historic Tuskegee.